Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Carlos from Insiarte 4x4, and in today's video I'm gonna talk about the pole from the DEVOS LightRanger. If you guys have the LightRanger and you order the new 4 section extension pole and you already have the 3 section extension pole, we also have another video explaining all the accessories of the DEVOS LightRanger. If you wanna go and check my channel, you're gonna see another video where we talk about all the accessories of the DEVOS LightRanger. But today I'm gonna show you how to replace the extension post. We are gonna take the one they come with the light when you order. We are gonna unscrew this one here. Just have to be loose, and then you don't need any screwdriver, you don't need any tools, nothing. Just with your hand you're gonna push this metal pin and pull the pole out. It's gonna go all the way to the back, and then you're gonna do the same. You're gonna push that metal pin and then push the pole out. You already have the pole out the base, and then you're gonna grab the new one. You wanna push the pin, go inside, and then you're gonna center the pin with the hole, you know, like some of the accessory. You just push the pin and that's it. Boom, that's it. And you already have the 4 section extension pole for the LightRanger upgrade. Why it is a 4 section extension pole? Because you can go lower than the one that comes with the light. It is a little bit longer. I believe it's like 5 to 7 inches the difference. If you wanna have one in like in a compact storage, you know, if you wanna put it in the back of your truck, you can order this extension pole, and then you can adjust. Or even if you want the campsite, you're gonna be lower than the stock one, you can just order the post and you see how easy it is to replace it. They don't wanna be the entire mount. You can order the entire mount, you can order any of the accessories, and remember we have a discount code for DEVOS LightRanger on the whole website, or any accessory of the light, anything. They are the best light that you can get from your camping or any outdoor situation in your house. If you are working on the shop, if you are working on the garage, anything. When you need a light, the DEVOS lights are gonna be your best option. Go to my another videos and you can check how and why, because you know everything. I'm just gonna put everything on that video we have all explained. Okay guys, I don't want to take you a long time with more information. Like I say, it's easy to replace it. Thank you guys, stay tuned, and I'm waiting for another video because we're coming with more videos talking about our accessories and everything about the DEVOS light or any another. If you have any questions, just leave a comment in the section below. You know, we're gonna put a description where you can get it and everything. But if you have any question about the light, just let me know. Leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys, and stay tuned.